Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved use Audi A5 Cabriolet S-line 35 TFSI. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Navara blue metallic paintwork, which is really give it that standout road appearance. Now as you look towards some of the key features, and with this being the S-line model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty styling such as the front bumper and rear diffuser design. As well as this, you do get the additional chrome accents such as the rear diffuser and the window surrounds. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we do find these exceptional 19-inch 5-arm Cavos design alloys, and they do really complement that lovely metallic blue paintwork. Moving into the rear boot space now of the A5 Cab, where we find up to 360 litres of storage space. This is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional bags. Now moving into the rear seats, where we do find a part leather interior with the additional dynamic Alcantara effects also in the centre. As well as this, there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making it perfect for family usage. You can gain access to the rear by pulling on the levers on both front seats. Moving into the front now, we do find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as Napa leather, Dynamica, Alcantara and aluminium. And with this being the S-line model, it does mean the logo is on both front seats and does complement lovely against that Alcantara. Moving above now, we find a virtual cockpit display in which is featured 2 digital rev counters, as well as also having access to telephone connectivity and vehicle data. Moving towards the centre of the dashboard now, where we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does feature the satellite navigation and also lets you connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again now, we do find the optional 360 surround camera, which does make this vehicle much easier to park in these tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved use Audi A5 Cabriolet S-line, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please do get in touch with our friendly sales team.